Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana High Court, Triple S and Steno Typist exam. Ready? Start. An eligible person is entitled to legal services at any stage of the proceedings which he or she is prosecuting or defending. Full stop. In fact, the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee provides legal assistance to eligible persons in this court. Full stop. This makes it abundantly clear that legal services shall be provided to an eligible person at all stages of the proceedings, trial as well as appellate. Full stop. It is also important to note that in view of the constitutional mandate of Article 39A, legal services or legal aid is provided to an eligible person free of cost. Full stop. Stanza. Pending the enactment of the Legal Services Authorities Act, the issue of providing free legal services or free legal aid or free legal representation came up for consideration before this court. Full stop. Stanza. In Hussain Nara Khatun versus Home Secretary State, it was held that free legal services an inalienable element of reasonable, fair and just procedure for a person accused of an offence, and it must be held implicit in the guarantee of Article 21. Full stop. It was noted that this is a constitutional right of every accused person who is unable to engage a lawyer and secure free legal services on account of reasons such as poverty. Full stop. It was held that the state is under a mandate to provide a lawyer to an accused person if the circumstances of the case and the needs of justice so require, subject of course to the accused person not objecting to the providing of a lawyer. Full stop. Stanza. In Khatri and others versus State of Bihar, it was noted that the judicial magistrate did not provide legal representation to the accused persons because they did not ask for it. Full stop. This was found to be unacceptable. Full stop. This court went further and held that it was the obligation of the judicial magistrate before whom the accused were produced to inform them of their entitlement to legal representation at state cost. Full stop. In this context, it was observed that the right to free legal services would be illusory unless the magistrate or the sessions judge before whom the accused is produced informs him of this right. Full stop. It would also make a mockery of legal aid if it were to be left to a poor, ignorant and illiterate accused to ask for free legal services, thereby rendering the constitutional mandate a mere paper promise. Full stop. Stanza. Sukhdas versus Union Territory of Arunachal Pradesh reiterated the requirement of providing free and adequate legal representation to an indigent person and a person accused of an offence. Full stop. In that case, it was reiterated that an accused need not ask for legal assistance hyphen the court dealing with the case is obliged to inform him or her of the entitlement to free legal aid. Full stop. This court observed that it was now settled law that free legal assistance at state cost is a fundamental right of a person accused of an offence which may involve jeopardy to his life or personal liberty and this fundamental right is implicit in the requirement of reasonable, fair, and just procedure prescribed by Article 21 of the Constitution. Full stop and over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी फॉर ट्रिपल एस एंड स्टेनोटाइपिस्ट एग्जाम. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन लगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस लाइक दिस. थैंक्स टू ऑल. बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर.